In this video, I will show you how to sound like Russian, how to make a stereotypical Russian accent. First things first, try not to smile. We even have a proverb: if you smile without a reason, you're an idiot. We don't have sounds in our language that make our lips wider, so don't make them wider or you will look fake. Number 2, don't move your jaws and lips a lot. Don't be too expressive. Emotions are for girls and guys who like hugging and kissing other guys. Hold your emotions inside. If you're happy, I don't want to know about that. It's not my business, alright? If you are sad, I give 0 Fs too. Keep it inside, whatever it takes, and don't move your face. TH is Z sound or S sound. I don't want to see your tongue when you speak. What the hell is think, them, these? In Russia we don't like these tongue moves. That's why words like sing and sing should sound similar. Number 4, R is rolling. You must roll the hell out of your mouth when you want to sound like real Russian mafia. When I was a little child, there was an annoying tongue twister about guy who tried to cross the river but a cancer cut his arm off. This tongue twister taught me to roll the R sound correctly and not to put my arms underwater in rivers. The proverb sounds like this. Ехал грека через реку, видит грека в реке рак, сунул грека в руку реку, рак за руку греку цап. Number 5. No long vowels. We don't have any good reasons to make our sounds sound longer than they should. That's why words like this and this, beach and beach should be identical. Number 6. Read every single written symbol. If you have written a letter, why don't you pronounce it? We do it in our language, so we will do it in every language we speak. But don't overuse this rule. No one will ever say knov or write. So let's keep it natural and be thorough, choosing what to pronounce and what to keep silent. English sounds like t. Has a lot of air coming out of your mouth. Don't do that. Don't say park. Say park. Don't say take. Say take. Aspiration should be eliminated completely, or you will almost sound like a native English speaker, not like a Russian mafia. 8. Normal people don't usually talk like that in Russia actually. It is a very stereotypical accent, but to some extent some people talk like that. And it can happen in some parts of Russia, it can happen in some parts of Eastern Europe. I think it can happen everywhere. And of course, it depends on the person. Some guys in Russia have impeccable British or American accent with a flawless rhythm, natural sound, and irreproachable grammar. But if you want to sound like a real Russian mafia from Hollywood movies, so you can use these tips and try your best. Practice makes perfect, alright?